Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again with another book announcement. This time I'm bringing you slide guitar soloing techniques. So if you're a fan of playing slide guitar, you want to play lead guitar using a bottleneck, this is the book for you. If you're a fan of Elmore James, if you're a fan of Dwayne Allman, maybe Derek Trucks or Bonnie Raitt, there are an endless amount of guitar players that have all used a slide in their playing to add a lyrical, expressive edge to their soloing style. This book contains over 180 audio examples, and I walk you through everything that you're going to need to know. We talk about tuning. Most of the book is in open E tuning, but towards the end I teach you how to develop what you've learned and adjust it to work in standard tuning. So there's lots of single note soloing ideas. There are full solos composed. We talk about the technique of string crossing. There is a lot to learn here, and you're going to have a lot of fun with the advanced techniques chapter. Spoilers, we've got all sorts of sliding harmonics and fretting behind the slide, all manner of things. It really is some challenging stuff in there as you go on. But don't be put off, because this is absolutely full of content that will be ideal if you've just picked up slide guitar. I teach it from a very basic perspective and then build you up to the standard that you're going to need to be at if you want to get out there and play some slide guitar. So please do head on over to Amazon in the link below and pick up a copy of Slide Guitar Soloing Techniques today. You've been able to hear some of the audio in the back. I know you're going to love it. I'm extremely proud of how it's turned out, and yeah, let me know how you get on. Leave a comment below, and until next time, I guess keep sliding.